Hello again guys, my name is Dong and welcome back to my channel. Tapos na yung 21 days off ko or yung AVL namin. A bit sad kasi I never thought that 21 days could go by that fast. It was not bad kasi nga I think I spent my 21 days off na masaya and contented naman ako kasi the first week I went to Cebu. If you have watched my previous video, nandun ako kila Jessa. Then the week after that, I went home sa Davao. I haven't vlogged there kasi what I did was natulog lang ako buong week. Then after that week, I went to Puerto Galera sa beach. So kakauwi ko lang talaga like a few days ago. So as you can notice, medyo nog ako. I stayed in Puerto Galera for like 3 days and then after that, I went back here in Manila and spent the rest of my day off for about 4 days, then I just rest. But that's pretty much it. Today is the first day of work after AVL and guess what? Binigay sa akin ng scheduling long haul flight agad. So it's gonna be 5 days out. I'm gonna be flying to LA. Hindi pa ako nakapag-impake kasi I just came from the gym. As you can see, nakapag-gym outfit pa ako. Ayan o. Flex tayo. Mag-impake lang ako muna. And then, I still have a couple of hours to chill, nap, and let's see if makakatulog ako. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. What's up again guys? So time check, it's already 3:15 in the afternoon and diba sabi ko sa inyo kanina na I'm planning to take a nap. Tinry ko naman talaga mag-nap. Humiga ako, mikit-pikit ako pero hindi talaga ako makatulog. I don't know why, maybe because of sobrang daming pumapasok sa isip ko. To tell you honestly, I'm a bit nervous kasi nga 21 days akong walang trabaho and I'm a bit afraid kasi nga baka nakalimutan ko yung routine dun sa aeroplano. So kaya siguro hindi ako makatulog. So ayun, in a while magpe-prepare na ako, maliligo na ako and I'll be seeing you later. So yan, I just fixed my hair. Time check, it's still 4:10 in the afternoon. I'm planning to book at 5 p.m. para before 5:30 makasakay na ako ng Grab and I'll be in the office way ahead of time. Maaga pa talaga yung 5 kasi reporting time namin is still at 7:30 p.m. In about 15 to 20 minutes from now, magsusot na ako ng long sleeves and my jacket and everything. Whoa. So time check, it's already 15 minutes before 5 in the afternoon. I'm already prepared for my flight. Ayan, nakasuot na ako ng uniform. I never thought na mamimiss ko magsuot ng uniform. Magbubuk na ako in a bit. And sana makakuha agad ako ng Grab. Alright, sige, see you. Ayun. So, I'm now inside the Grab. Time check, it's 5:30. Still have 2 hours to spare. So, siguro naman hindi na ako aabutin ng isang oras sa biyahe ko papuntang office. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po sila. So ayan, nandito na ako sa office. Yung mga bags namin. Ito na kanina. So I'm just going up para mag-check in. Time check, it's now 6:10 in the evening. I still have more than an hour to spare. So chill lang tayo. Right now, naghahanap lang ako ng mga kalipad. Apparently, dalawa pa yung nahanap ko. And then yung crew namin. So, yeah. Medyo maaga pa naman. 6:35. Hello again guys. So right now I'm here in LA. Time check, it's already 8:30 here in LA, and dyan sa Pilipinas it's 12:30 p.m. 16 hours yung time difference natin. When we arrived yesterday, I just bought food and I slept agad-agad. I just had 4 hours of sleep kasi nga sa Pilipinas is already morning. Super jet lag ako. So, kanina natulog ulit ako and I woke up at 6 p.m. na here in LA. And right now, I'm heading out to buy food again kasi gutom na ako. It's already lunchtime there sa Pilipinas. So, yeah. Yung bilihan ng food is just across the street dito sa hotel namin. Magbibihis lang ako ng damit kasi sobrang lamig sa labas. Still bearable pero yun nga malamig. I'm just gonna wear a sweater and a pants. Meet Pearl! Guys, I want you to meet Pearl. Nakalipan ko siya sa Beijing. Kamusta ka naman?
Okay lang, nakatulog naman.
So right now they're flying back to Manila.
Ay, sir.
So right now they're flying back to Manila. I met her yesterday.
Sobrang funny. Nagyakap ako sa gitna ng kalsada.
Oo, you were heading out kasi nga you were
Yeah.
gonna eat pizza.
Yeah.
Sobrang hagad ka, parang akong zombie. Rinig ko din ako. Tapos, uy, Pearl!
Nakilala ko siya sa hair niya.
Sir, kasi sobrang good.
No.
Have a safe flight, Pearl. Ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Sobrang bait. Sobrang saya ng experience namin dun sa Beijing kasi nga naglakad kami ng about 20 kilometers from the hotel tapos nag-ikot lang kami. No kidding guys, it's 20 kilometers. So, nag-explore kami ng Beijing, pumunta kami sa Great Wall of China, and then we also went to their Forbidden City. So that's what I'm talking about, just across the street. Yan yung mga kainan. Well, that's my favorite nakainan talaga, yung In and Out. As in, favorite. Ang lamig. Pollo Loco. Subway. Satsai. Not sure kung crew ba ito sila. Saan yung menu nila? Hello, can I have one order of taking style pork chop? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Push. And I just got my order. Yay! Bango. Chinese food is one of my comfort foods naman eh. So, ayun. Right now, I'm heading back to the hotel. Sana hindi humangin kasi sobrang lamig pag humangin. Next time na In and Out, pagbalik ko ulit dito sa LA, promise. Walk. Let's walk. Lamig. Harap na lang. Ito ako eh. Ay, baka masunog yung plastic. It's warm. Yun. Salamat. So yeah, we're back in the room. Quick overview sa room ko. It's just a small room. Ayan, I've got 2 beds. And then nandun yung CR. And then I've got a desk. A TV. Ayun. Let's do the unboxing. Ay, hindi naman itong box. Unplasticking. Okay. So, I've got a mayo. 4-in-1 soy sauce. Pum, ganyan. Chili sauce. Kuya, lettuce. I have a styro for the food. So ito yung fortune cookie ko. It says you will step on the soil of many countries. Wow! Surprising! Excited naman ako. Joke. Okay, so right now let's open the styrofoam. and see what's inside. Voila! Wow! So, this Peking style pork chop costs $9.50 plus tax. So, the total is $11. Let's say 12. Oh, $12. So, that's about 600 pesos. Oo, di ba mahal? I'm just gonna eat. Ayoko naman panoorin nyo kumain lang na wala kayong kinakain din. No joke. I'm just gonna eat tapos we'll see later what's gonna happen. Alright? Hello again guys. So right now we're here at Tom Bradley International Airport and we will be flying back to Manila tonight. Time check, it's already 9:30 p.m. here and our flight will be at 11 p.m. It's gonna be a full load flight, so good luck sa amin lahat.